Hello everyone and welcome back. So the past 2 weeks I have not been here, or I wasn't here in videos but also not here because I was on holiday. So the last 2 videos you did get videos but I wasn't talking in them. So I thought we'd start off this video with me having a chat about these hats that we did. So this one, I really like this design and I love it in the vinyl and I love it in the shimmery where it shows the different rainbow colours. But it's not big enough. I'd like the horns to be bigger so they kind of wrap around a little bit more, but also I want flowers and leaves in there as well. So I'm gonna redesign this, which shouldn't take too long, and hopefully it'll be a bit bigger because at the moment it just looks really little. It doesn't quite work. It works, looks like horns, but I think it can be better. And I don't know what I would put on the other side of this. But, hello Spiky. Hold on a second. What are you doing? Oh, hello. What are you doing? Look at the camera. Who's that? That's everybody on YouTube. Say hi. You happy? He's a happy boy. So, I think I would put more on the design, but I definitely want the horns to be bigger. My idea with these hats is that they're not one-off hats. They will be in the shop all the time and there will be pretty much a set price for them. So I'd like to do that. I'd like to do more on that. This one, I really like this one. So this was 2 weeks ago. This one's got like the koi fish with some flowers. I think I could do like a lotus or something here with something in the middle, but then I'm not 100% sure about what I would put on the underneath. But I think this one is gonna look really special. I love it with the blue and the white as well. These hats will be, pick the color of your hat and then the design will be done on them. But I'm quite excited to get more hats in the shop that can just kind of be click and buy, because that's what we need. We need more click and buy hats, as well as one-offs and custom made one-offs for people that like their custom hats as well. So that is us starting off this week. That sounds like the dog might have just jumped the gate. It's all go here. It's all go. Hold on. Okay, everything's fine. Dog didn't jump the gate. Anyway, we're starting off this week. We've got a couple of hats we want to do. I have another design that is already done on the tablet. I really want to get that one done because it is my favorite. I've had this design planned for so long and I've done little bits and pieces here and there. So I want to get that one done too, as well as I think it's probably time we start making hats. Actually start making hats, which will be really cool. So let's just see how this week goes. Hopefully it's less hectic as it was just now. I'm out of breath from running back up the stairs. Okay, let's do it. Hello. Okay, so I have got some more bits and pieces done, as you've seen, but I'm still not happy with it. I still feel like it needs a little bit more. I was also thinking as well that when it comes to doing the bands, it either needs to be something simple that I can create every time, because I can't just go and grab bits and pieces that I've got around the studio. If I've only got 2 of them, I won't ever be able to do the same band. Or I do them without bands, and then it's up to the customer to create their own bands, which could be something that people would like. It also would make it a little bit cheaper. So I don't know, that's something that needs to be thought about. So what I have to do now is I have a custom design that needs to be finished. I absolutely love this design. It's really cool. It's flowers and a mandala, and I really think you guys are going to love it as well. So let's get that finished, and I will catch up with you when it's done. Okay, so that hat is done. I realised that I'd already packaged it before I could talk about it with you. Usually I hold the hat and I'm like, blah, blah, blah. But I packaged it up. The other thing was, I'm sure I had footage of the burning process, but I lost it. Or I just didn't film it, which seems mad. I did film some of it, but it was upright for like short videos. Mistakes were made. These things happen. So, I still got a couple of hats to finish off. The fish one, forgetting my words, the fish one, the horns one. I do have a snake design I also want to do. And I'm really excited about a bohemian one that I want to do, which I already told you is one that I'm super excited about and I've been working on for ages. I got all these test colours of vinyl in like pastel. So I'm working on that too. So we've got that coming up, which will be a whole video in itself. I really want to start making hats. I've got loads of ideas for actually making hats, which is quite exciting. Sure, there was something else I was going to tell you, but now I can't remember what it is because I'm so smart. Okay, so anyway, I think that's probably it for this week. Next week, we're either making a hat or we're doing that bohemian hat. I think we're probably doing the bohemian hat because I'm really excited to get that done and get it in the shop. And then it'll be making hats. So at least you guys know about stuff that's coming up soon. So as always, if you would like to subscribe, please do so, but I'm not going to force you. Please give this video a thumbs up because it tells YouTube that you guys like these videos and it obviously puts it out there on the internet for everybody else to find. So thanks guys, and I will see you next week.